The Centre versus Twitter war is back in courts because the Delhi High Court will today be hearing a petition filed against Twitter for its non-compliance of the IT norms. The plea that's been filed by advocate Amit Acharya had raised a complaint that Twitter has not appointed a grievance officer. Now, the petition also raised a complaint regarding certain tweets by political leaders. In the affidavit against the microblogging site, the Centre had on Monday said that Twitter is a significant social media intermediary and is obligated to comply with the IT rules 2021. The Centre said Twitter failed to comply, which is the law of the land, the new IT rules. Centre's affidavit comes days after Twitter had filed its own version, where Twitter claimed that it's in the process of going ahead and appointing a grievance officer and that they had otherwise completely complied with the IT rules. Let's move on to some other stories we're tracking this morning. The CBSE announcing a new scheme for Class 10 and 12 board exams. This is for the 2021-22 session, wherein the academic year will be divided into two halves, with approximately 50% syllabus in each term. The first term exam will be held in November and December, the second term exam in March and April. Here's a breakdown of exactly what the CBSE assessment is all about.
Continuing school closures, exam disruptions due to COVID-19. The deadly pandemic has pushed the Central Board of Secondary Education to come up with a new assessment scheme. The Central Board has divided the 2021-2022 academic year into two terms. 50% of the syllabus will be covered in the first term. A test will also be conducted. First term exams will be held between November and December over 4 to 8 weeks. The question paper will have multiple choice questions and the duration of the test will be 90 minutes. Marks of the term will contribute to the final overall score of students. The second term examination will be scheduled between March and April, and the duration of this exam will be 2 hours. The question paper in term 2 will have different formats like long and short answers. In case the situation is not conducive for normal descriptive examination, a 90-minute exam based on multiple choice questions will be conducted at the end of term 2 as well. Marks of term 2 will also contribute to the final overall score. In case the COVID situation improves, the board would conduct term 1 and 2 examinations at centers. If the pandemic forces closure of schools during November and December 2021, term 1 exams would be online from home. In this event, the weightage of this exam would be reduced and term 2 exam weightage would be increased. If the pandemic forces closure of schools during March and April of 2022, results would be based on term 1 exams and internal assessments. Weightage of term 1 marks would then increase. If the pandemic forces complete closure of schools in term 1 and in term 2, then the results would be computed on the basis of internal assessments, project work, and term 1 and 2 online exams. The CBSE decision comes after the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic forced cancellations of year-end board examinations. Bureau Report, India Today.